Visakhapatnam. Nestled with green-capped hillocks and sun-kissed golden beaches, is a city with future, with massive investments in the pipeline in various sectors including industries, IT and tourism. The home for India's second largest port owned in the government sector by Visakhapatnam Port Trust and another futuristic port at Gangavaram in private sector. Visakhapatnam city is one of the fastest developing metros in the world. It is also home for the gigantic Visakhapatnam Steel Plant, India's first shore-based integrated steel plant. It has also emerged as a tourist hub, with Rishikonda being developed on the lines of Goa and Buddhist circuit being developed to connect the Buddhist sites at Bavikonda, Appikonda and other places. It is projected that the city with population of 2 million plus will also soon emerge as a financial hub with PCPIR and other mega projects coming up in the region. With limited land resources, owning a plot is going to become scarce. Realizing the importance to own a property in the region, several gated communities and luxury apartments as well as villas are under construction. Not only locals, people from far-off places attracted by the city's impressive landscape, its unenviable record as a crime-free city and a pleasant climate during the most of the year are evincing interest to invest in properties in and around the city. Kottavalasa of late, falling in Vizianagaram district and pretty close to the Greater Visakhapatnam Municipal Corporation, is playing host to several real estate projects. Several housing projects are also coming up, as buying a property in the city is beyond the affordability of many. Here is a rare opportunity for investors with the availability of 450 acres of land amidst 3 hills in the historical Relly village. It is within 7 kilometers distance from Pendurthi and located on Visakhapatnam-Araku State Highway. Araku attracts millions of tourists every year, as it is becoming popular as the Ooty of Andhra Pradesh. The site for sale is located just 17 kilometers away from airport, which will soon attract direct flights to Singapore, Colombo, Bangkok and Dubai. It also well connected with railways, and the Kottavalasa railway station and bus station is just 2 kilometers away. The 450 acres of land amidst 3 hills is fully covered with mango, cashew and teak trees of ages. The site has 3 approach roads, one from the Araku road, 1.5 kilometers right from Mangalampalam village, and another road from Kottavalasa, Gidijala, 80 feet master plan road, which is being connected to the proposed 6-lane road of NH5. Large number of renowned housing layouts like Suvarna Bhumi, Srimitra, Delta, Bommarillu and Garivipati and several other farmhouses have come up. Hence, it's a place you can opt for investment.